Hi, I'm Malik, this is Fast Tutorial and song All I Want. In this video you'll find two variations of playing this song, original chords and another chords. Intro and verse, these similar chords C, F, C, G and A. C, F, C, G, A, and again, and strumming. And verse. And again F and C. Again C, F, C, C, G, A, F, C, and again F and C. Easy. This chord, this is G major. You can play full chord or this one, as you wish. As you wish. In the verse, in the second time, you need more just one chord. This is again G major. So and chorus. If you love me. Okay. Chorus. And first chord A, F, F, C, C, G, and the instrumental part. So D minor, G, two chords. And so, it's all very easy. So, second variation. This is G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Yeah. You can use standard chords if you want. But I don't like this. G, C, G, G, D, E, C, G, and again C and G. Easy. So chorus. If you love me, please like me and subscribe me Thanks a lot, you're my God. Take my body, take my body. So, E, C, C, G, and D. Add instrumental part, A minor, da, 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 and D major. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck. Good luck.